general, and I thought I'd just show you a few things of what they have. Let's see. So here they have the melamine dishes. These are really pretty, guys, and they're $2 each. Then they have these body pillows. I'm not seeing a price on those, but here's this wreath right here, this cute little wreath right here with the wooden flowers, and those are $3. And the little tiny bird houses, and those are $3. They have the rolling pins. These are so nice. These are $5, and they come in yellow, blue, and that red. Then they have this right here. I think this is really pretty, this container. It's $3. Then they have the fabric tablecloth holders, and they have the cutting boards. So then they have these spoons here for $2.50, and they're glassware. Right here, these mason jar drinking glasses are $1. These are all $1. Let me see this size. This is $2.50. Then they have this jar. Isn't that a pretty jar, guys? That's $2. That's a nice price for that. And here's the chalk container. Isn't that nice? A nice sized jar. It's $4.50, and it comes with the chalk. Then they have these bottles right here. These are $3 each. And they have the bigger one of these jars. I'm liking these. These are $3. So then they have these casseroles. They're ceramic, and those are $10. Then they have these little decor box pieces. Life is one grand adventure. Wow, sure is. And here's some novelty clips. Then you have some more melamine salad dishes in this design. That's $2 each. They have the big bowl here, and then they have the little small salad bowl over there. So then they have the mason jar with the drinking lid and straw. That's $2. This is really nice. Isn't that nice, guys? Home sweet home. This can. And look at this. This little hook is in the shape of a button. That's so nice. That's $3. They come in colors. Then they have this ceramic pot. I'm loving that. I don't want to pick that up to see how much it is. Then you have some rugs down here. Here you have the, I'm loving this. This is $5 for this. And then you have the chicken decor piece. How much is that? That's $5. Then you have, this is a light up candle. Let's stay home. Oh, and look at this. I'm loving this glass. This glass is $1. They have this home decor piece over here. That's $5. And look at this, guys. It says, welcome to our home. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. And that is $5. That's not bad. Here's a hanging succulent pot. That's $4. And these little ones, it says kiss the cook. That's cute. Those are $3. The daily grind coffee, $3. And then these little chalkboard little hanging pieces. These are $1, guys. That's not bad. And look at this. God bless this home. It looks like a chopping board in the shape of a cow with the chicken wire. That's $3. And they have this one over here. It says home, and that's $5 for that decor piece, guys. Okay, then they have this chicken or rooster right here for $5. They have the salt and pepper shakers. These are $2 a piece. Then they have these with the initials on them, and those are $2 a piece. And they have these little pillow type things. Feels like burlap, and it has this design on it. And these are $3. Yeah, these are $3 a piece. They have another one of these candles here. It's so good to be home. And they have the galvanizer. They have these at the Dollar Tree, guys. And they're $2.50 here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I let you guys know. And they have these little tea light holders, these tea light holders, and the cow and the pig. See them? Aren't they cute? These are $2. And here's the butter dish. Isn't that adorable? It's a pig. $5. And I'm loving these pots. Look at them, guys. $4 each. Then they have the ceramic Hello Spring, the salt and pepper shaker in the pig, and the rooster. I like those. And here are the canisters that you can store stuff. So down here you have this rack right here. Isn't that adorable? With those ceramic plates, $7. And here's some baskets right here, and these baskets are $5. Then they have the little banks. Are these the banks? No, they're not. They're just the boxes. Life is Sweet with a donut picture in it. Those are $3. Let's see what one. This one over here says Live, Love, Bark. And that one says Don't worry, be happy. Aw. And all things need love and maybe a donut. Isn't that adorable? I love that. So here they have the small baskets with the wire. Those are $3. And even the wall frame for $3.50, guys. So guys, I just wanted to show you a short little section here while I was here at the Dollar General picking up some things. Thank you so much for coming with me to Dollar General, and I'll see you in the next video.